in another video, and today we have June here. A dog found in the street. This is her home. The story about June was she was living under a car near our house, and then my dad found her under the car. It took a while for him to approach her, and he had to give her food and caring kindness, and she let him touch her, and then she was very sad dog that did not have water and food. She was drinking in puddles. Then we took her to the vet because she was not healthy or anything like that. So we checked her. Then the third day, she came to our house. So she has dysplasia, or in 2 years or 1 year or 3 years, she will maybe can't walk anymore. And we will maybe see in the future when she can walk, if she can't walk or can walk. I don't have a relationship with June because mostly she follows my dad. She don't have a lot of energy, so I have a relationship with Flash. The relationship of Flash and June, they're very good. I took videos of them in the beginning. Flash and June were not very good buddies, and secondly, they became, then the first relationship they had is then Flash became a bit of friend. Secondly, they became friends, and then they became like real buddies. Flash is very helpful. When June is down and she's not working, Flash take care of her. And you know what Flash learned? He actually took the leash and put her up. That's what he did. She's very fluffy, and I like to cuddle her. I cuddle her a lot, and it's very nice to cuddle her. When my dad wakes up, June talks, and then Flash, he jumps on her. But Chow Chow were not very, she don't talk like mostly, but she talk in fact. If you like your pet so much, don't abandon them. Don't forget to put a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.